Hello everyone, I am Oritra Mukherjee. So I am gonna tell you right now that what we have learned in this third trimester of our MBA PGDM course in Takshila Business School. So we have learned several subjects here, around 6 to 7 subjects in this third semester. Some subjects have started, but due to lockdown, due to online classes, those subjects is have been paused and will continue in the fourth semester. So whatever it is, let's talk about the subjects we have taught. We have learned in this semester. So first subject is research methodology. So research methodology is a subject where we learn how to do a research, how to do systematically research. What are the parts of a research, and what in what context, in what are the content of should be there in a research, like introduction, then abstract, then introduction, then keywords, then hypothesis testing, then literature review, then ethical, then consent form, etc., etc. So in this subject we learned that how to do a research systematically, how properly we can conduct a research, and how properly it can be written. It's basically the format and the methodologies of when you want to do a research. So next is SPSS. SPSS is basically a software which we generally use for statistical problems. So we have used the software and we played with them, with the software, with the GUI of the software. We have learned different graphs, charts like bar graphs, pie charts, etc. Also we have learned regression, and also types of regression like linear regression and other things. Also we have learned how to do some tests like chi-square test, like ANOVA test, one-way ANOVA test, t-test, z-test, etc., etc. So these are the learnings in SPSS subject. We have learned these things, and it is very important to know in analytics. After Excel, SPSS is one of the most important software which most of the people use to do analysis. Next, come to the next subject, human resource management. Human resource management is one of the integral part of a company, and we should learn how to manage human resource, and this is one of the most important subject of any management course. So we have learned all the activities of all the roles and activities of HR in a company, how it is different from others, and what are the similarities of that. So basically what is the role, and from starting to ending, what are the work of an HR, like right from advertising, from job writing, job description, job specifications, to onboarding people, and after onboarding people to managing those people, to solving their personal issues, personal problems, give them appraisal. And so all are the things. Check the vacancies, check what type of people are available, what type of professionals are available in the market, and also in the competitive with the competitors, and in which project the vacancies are created, what type of professionals are required for that. So all the HRs are responsible for all these works, and we have learned thoroughly that how what are the responsible roles and responsibilities of an HR in this subject. Next, talk about advanced marketing. We have done a marketing management in first semester, but here we have learned the basic there. Now in advanced marketing management, we just revised the basic, and also we have learned many. We have go through and do many of the we can say case studies in the from the Kotler book, like GE, like Nike, BMW, Harley Davidson. There are plenty of case studies we have go through, and we understood what is the strategy of a big companies, also the small companies in a different sector, how they understood, how they changed with their time, how they competed, compete, how they competed with their competitors, and what are their strategies, how they changed their strategies, why they changed their strategies, and uh, if it works then why it works, if it doesn't work then why it doesn't work. We have learned thoroughly all these case studies, real-time case studies, through which we have learned many things and many and understand many aspects of a business, many aspects of a marketing, which is very much required for a management course, and for this knowledge is very much required for a management student. Next is one of the most important subject is critical thinking. As a management student, everyone needs to think critically. It's basically not a subject, it's basically all the subject, in all the subjects, in all the situation, we need to think critically. We should not be biased while thinking something. If we are biased, then our direction, our thinking direction will go in the same way, but we should not do that. We should think in from different point of view, from different people's perspective, so that we can understand the problem better, we can understand the situation better. And if we understand the situation better, then we can get the solutions also more authentic and more specifically. So it is very much important to think critically, and this is why this subject is very important, and we have learned a lot from this subject. Next is business analytics. Business analytics is also one of the most important subject for a management student. Nowadays business analytics is a hot cake. So we have learned many things in business analytics, in machine learning, types of machine learning, and different functions of machine learning, also some more things. And we have learned business learning with R. So we have learned R language also in R GUI, R Studio, R Studio Online. We have learned how to use those, how to write commands, what are the functions, what are the variables used in R, and how to import files, different types of files like CSV files, like Excel files, etc., and how to use them, how to manipulate data according to our need, how to design them with how to show them sophisticatedly with different types of charts like bar charts, pie charts, and different types of graphs, or like box plots, histogram, etc. And we have learned also regression, how to do regression, linear regression. So basically these are the subjects we have taught in third term. Apart from that, we have taught entrepreneurship, started the entrepreneurship, and then we have started consultancy, where we have written 3-4 management books, which is very helpful for us, and we have learned how to work in team. Also we have learned many other things there as well. And entrepreneurship, also in entrepreneurship subject also we have learned how to start a business, and what are the things we need to understand before starting a business. And last but not the least, we have started operations and how to do logistics, and these things we have started, but due to lockdown the classes discontinued. So we'll talk about later when the classes will continue. So that's it for today. Good night.